Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to go about changing the screen color for your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone and the screen refresh rate. So let's go ahead and do that. Basically, you'll want to use the quick panel access here and tap on the settings right there. And once you're in this section here, you'll go down to the part that says display. As you enter into the display settings area here, you will you can see the refresh rate, which is the one that says motion smoothness. So go into that, and a default is going to be set on to adaptive. All right, adaptive is the 120, which is going to use a bit more battery life, whereas the standard here is the 60. Okay, so the 60 is going to use a little bit more less battery life, but lower refresh rate settings. Okay, so it's up to you to make that decision here. Now, if you want to change the screen color mode, as you go here to screen mode here, when you tap on that there, you will see this here. And this time around, of course, like other Samsung phones, you still get the option to choose between the different color pictures here to get an idea of the differences. So Vivid gives you the white balance options and the advanced settings, but sticking to natural will simply just have the original colors of everything that's on your screen at the moment. So if you switch to Vivid, which is the preferred option, you can choose the white balance, which will allow you to get a bit more on the cooler colors, and then the yellowish colors here, okay, which is the warm side. And it's really up to you to make that decision. And if you want to take it a bit more in depth there, you can go to the RGB settings from here. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.